Thank you. Today's the day. Finally gonna do get the floor down of the decking. It is hot, sunny, dry. We're excited it's dry. It's also very hot. So we're gonna get the deck down. We have a 2-day window where our goal is get the deck done. The boards, top boards of the stack are starting to dry out, starting to warp, so we need to get them in place, nailed down, so we can prevent them from warping.
Yeah, it is sunny. It's great. Never happy. It's either raining or it's too hot. So right now it's too hot.
It's hot.
But I'll take it. It's not raining.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we're gonna slam this out, and our goal is we have to be done with the decking this weekend because we got to start moving on with the roof. We really want to get the roof done. We're anxious.
Just get the house dried in, the windows. So.
But yeah,
we're pushed.
Good day, and we'll make the best of it. Do it. So what we're doing is we're just setting the nails inside the board, and then come back and we're going to screw them all down. So I know there's probably a better way to do it, but for me it's quicker, more efficient to do it that way. But hey, first rail's in.
We're starting on the outer edge of the deck, which is where we're going around the railing. So this is going to take the longest part. Joe has to cut the deck boards to fit around each railing, all the way around. And once we get that done, then it's going to be a lot quicker because we can just line up the boards and just boom, 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 get them down without having to, my quilting term, fussy cut around. I don't know the construction term, just the quilting. This will be, again, the longest part. Work around the rails. Hopefully cut some nice and pretty. I'm here for quality control. That's why I hover over him. Make sure he cuts them nice and pretty.
It works.
Fits? First try.
You know it's hot out here when your blade gets hot too and it bends and you cut crooked. It's okay, I can redo it. That's about
It looks artistic.
30-degree angle. Hey, it's alright. Close your eyes and do it again.
¡Moviera!
tray of treats.
So I'll take water and some nuts. Okay,
I thought you wanted these.
Yes. How much will that be?
Everything's for free if you're a hard worker.
I mean, I qualify for free food?
Yes.
Thank you.
Here's your water and your nuts and pumpkins.
Wonderful. Thank you. Don't eat from the cafe. Hurry. I don't have a pencil. Starting a new day, setting up tools. Kids immediately jumped out of the car. We're already helping to load up the deck. So helpful. Thank you, kiddos, for your help.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
It's day 2 of this weekend's deck building. So we got the west side and almost all of the north side done yesterday. So we're gonna tackle that, finish, and hopefully get the east side done. And be done with the deck. But I think
We got it screwed off yet though, but we're gonna
yeah.
chalk line it. We're nailing one nail every so often this way. We get them down and just hit it all at once. But we may be kind of close to our decking lumber because we've been using it for framing other stuff up and everything. So hopefully we can get it. That'd be amazing if we can.
Hopefully we have enough.
But if we don't, I got other stuff here we could probably use. But
Patch it together.
patch together, man.
A beam here and a eye joist there.
Got some duct tape in the truck if we need. Slide up to your cushion in. There you go. Is that better? Okay. Now what are you gonna do? And you're gonna hold that, right? Okay. Pull that out. Stick it out there. Alrighty.
I'm gonna get in, but you gotta say I'm gonna find out the fun part.
the official last board of the side. What just went down. Happy dance. Happy dance. Oh yeah.
Please go bring one.
Yeah, show me your walking skills. So, get this side finished and eventually get the stairs in hopefully soon, so we stop using this rickety thing that we call stairs right now to get on.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our things are done. Know the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You did it?
We did it. Yeah. Got the whole deck decked. That was awesome. Got 17 boards left, which is for my roof. Lined out perfectly. So came out really good. My angles.
Took a while, but we got it. We're gonna put screws in the edges for now, and then we're gonna go swimming. First time of the year, swimming.
Yeah, cool off. But yeah. Till next time.
Did you pack up all the
baby birds in the tree?
Yeah.
I don't know where they're at, but
There's a birdie over there. Wait, it's the helmet bird.
There's
it's
a
the
crow.
helmet bird. There's a helmet bird.
Abby, go pack up all the food.
Trophy. I already did.
It's in the car.
I'll go put them.
Good weekend. That's
No.
Good weekend, Abby. Thanks for the help. Good weekend. 3, 7, 10, 12. Good weekend. Good job. All right. Go home. Good job, Jen.
Those are the cutest little chickens ever. I like it. Nice mustache.
I like it.
What'd you bring me?
The burger pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin seeds? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
The burger.
And sunflower seeds. Oh, it sounds delicious. Thank you. You having fun today? Okay, thank you for the delivery. Oh, sunshine. Oh, what are we gonna do?
Time to move to Alaska.
And then when there's 24 hours of sunlight, you're like, time to get out of here. Yeah, Idaho.